Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Windows 10 for free and install it on your PC. And disclaimer, this method of getting Windows is completely legitimate and it's not a pirated copy. Okay, so go to Google and type in Windows 10. You have to click on the first link which says download Windows 10 disk image. There you will find create Windows 10 installation media. Download the tool. After some time, run the downloaded program. It will take a few minutes to load. You will now need a pen drive, so connect it to your PC. The program will get installed on your pen drive. This process will take quite some time, so be patient. The pen drive must be at least 8 GB and completely formatted before installation. Now go about the installation process by accepting the terms and conditions. And then later choose the option Create Installation Media USB. This will allow you to install your files onto the pen drive. Then finish the remaining process and the software will start downloading onto the pen drive. This process takes quite some time, so I'm gonna skip to the part where it's fully downloaded. So now the USB drive is ready with Windows in it. Hook the USB drive onto the new PC and boot into your BIOS by pressing any of the function keys, which will allow you to boot right into your pen drive. Here you have to complete certain steps. Then it's gonna ask you for the product key. Just choose the option which says I don't have the product key. That's it. You can choose whichever version of Windows you want and it will install. The only difference is that you will have a watermark saying you haven't activated your Windows yet. This also happens only sometimes. So you just got yourself Windows 10. Don't forget to drop a like and get subscribed. See you soon. This is Half-Life.